Have you ever stopped and thought, wait, is this really the life I want? Most people wake up every day, go to jobs they don't like, scroll through their phones, and call it living. But what if I told you you can actually design your life, just like an architect designs a building? Today, you'll learn how to design the life you actually want, step by step. The first step isn't about money or success. It's about awareness. Ask yourself, what truly makes me feel alive? What drains my energy? If I had no limits, how would my perfect day look? Write it down. Don't judge your answers. Clarity begins when you stop living on autopilot and start noticing what matters to you, not what society tells you should matter.
Now it's time to draw your blueprint. Imagine your life 5 years from now. Where are you living? Who are you spending your time with? What kind of work are you doing? Be specific. The clearer your vision, the stronger your direction. Because here's the truth. You can't hit a target you can't see. Once you have your vision, break it down. Ask, what would need to be true for this vision to happen? Then reverse engineer it. For example, if your goal is to work remotely in 2 years, maybe today's step is learning a new digital skill. If your dream is to be fit and full of energy, today's step might be a 15-minute walk after lunch. Big change is just the result of small actions done consistently.
Here's where most people fail. They try to do before they become. You must first see yourself as the kind of person who lives that life. If you want to be successful, act like someone who respects time. If you want peace, act like someone who values silence. Your habits shape your identity, and your identity shapes your reality. Designing your dream life isn't just about what you say yes to. It's also about what you say no to. Say no to distractions that don't serve your vision. Say no to people who drain your energy. Every no creates space for a bigger yes.
Remember, your life is a design project. You are the architect, not the passenger. And like any great design, it takes time, testing, and revision. Don't aim for a perfect life. Aim for a life that feels true to who you are and who you're becoming. So take the pen back. Start designing your days intentionally, because every decision you make is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs a reminder. Your dream life isn't found, it's built.